Torrential rains have unleashed catastrophic flooding across southwestern China, submerging entire villages and forcing over 80,000 people to flee their homes. The provinces of Guizhou and Guangxi are at the heart of this crisis, where swollen rivers, collapsed bridges, and landslides have caused widespread devastation. In Rongjiang County, the Liu River surged to a staggering 11,800 cubic meters per second, more than 80 times, its normal flow triggering what experts are calling a once-in-50 years flood. 6 lives have been lost, and authorities fear that more may be missing as rescue operations continue. This disaster is a stark reminder of China's growing vulnerability to extreme weather as climate change accelerates. With floodwaters rising and more storms ahead, authorities are bracing for what could become one of the most severe monsoon seasons in recent history. The people of southern China now wait, hoping the worst is over.